Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is so good to see you today.
Hi everyone, welcome. I am so happy you are here with us again.
Today we have a very special topic. It is a topic that everyone loves to talk about.
That is right, David. Today we are going to learn how to talk about your family.
Yes, talking about family is one of the best ways to practice your English. When you meet new people, they often ask, "Tell me about your family."
Exactly. And today we will show you how to answer that question easily and clearly. We will use simple words and short sentences.
So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully. You can listen while you cook, clean, walk, or just rest.
Oh, and before we start, if you love learning English with us, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow, and you will never miss a new lesson with us.
Perfect. Now, let us start our conversation. Are you ready, David?
I am ready, Alice. Let us begin. Alice, let us start with basic family words. When people ask about family, they usually mean your immediate family.
Immediate family. That means your closest family members, right?
Yes, exactly. Your mother, your father, your brothers, and your sisters.
Simple and easy. So, David, how many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Let us repeat that sentence slowly for our listeners.
There are 4 people in my family.
That is a great sentence to remember. There are 4 people in my family. So, David, who are they?
They are my father, my mother, my older brother, and me.
Nice. So you have one brother. Is he older or younger than you?
He is older than me. He is my older brother. What about you, Alice? Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 siblings, one brother and one sister. By the way, listeners, in English, we often use the word siblings to mean brothers and sisters.
Wow, a big family. So you have one brother and one sister. Are you the oldest, the youngest, or in the middle?
I am the youngest. My brother and sister are older than me. I am the baby of the family.
The baby of the family. That is a fun phrase. In English, when you are the youngest child, people sometimes call you the baby of the family.
Yes, it just means I am the youngest.
Let us pause for a second and repeat these key words for our learners. Repeat after me slowly. Mother, father, parents, brother, sister, siblings, older brother/older sister, younger brother/younger sister.
Very clear. Let us practice a simple question and answer. David, ask me about my parents.
Okay, Alice, where do your parents live?
My parents live in a small town near the mountains. They live in a nice, cozy house.
That sounds lovely. Notice how Alice used the word live. My parents live in a small town.
Yes, if it is just one person like my mother, I say, my mother lives in a small town.
Excellent grammar tip. 1 person, my mother lives. 2 people, my parents live.
That is so simple. Beginners can practice this easily.
Now, Alice, when we talk about our family, people often ask, "What do your parents do?" or "How old are your siblings?"
Yes, people like to know simple details like jobs and ages.
Let us start with jobs. Alice, what does your father do?
My father is a teacher. He teaches mathematics at a local school.
Wow, a math teacher. That is wonderful. And what does your mother do?
My mother is a doctor. She works in a hospital and helps sick people.
What a nice family. Listeners, hear how Alice used the words a teacher and a doctor.
Yes, remember to use a or an before jobs. He is a teacher. She is a doctor. He is an engineer.
Very clear. What about your brother and sister? What do they do?
My older brother is an office worker, and my older sister is a chef. She cooks delicious food.
Yum! A chef in the family is always great.
Yes, we always eat very good food when she visits. Now, David, tell us about your family's jobs. What does your father do?
My father is retired.
Ah, retired. That is a very useful word. What does retired mean, David?
Retired means he stopped working because he is older. He worked hard for many years, and now he stays at home and relaxes.
Oh, that is wonderful. So we say, my father is retired. Let us say that again slowly. My father is retired.
And my mother is an artist. She paints beautiful pictures.
That is so cool. So David has a retired father and an artist mother.
Exactly. Now let us talk about age. How do we talk about someone's age in English?
In English, we use the verb to be. We do not use the word have for age. This is a very common mistake for English learners.
Yes, that is so important. Correct. My brother is 25 years old. Incorrect. My brother has 25 years.
Yes, do not say has 25 years. Say is 25 years old or simply is 25.
Let us repeat some examples. My mother is 60 years old. My father is 65 years old. My brother is 30.
Perfect. That is super easy to practice.
Alice, family members are not just names and jobs. They have personalities. How can we describe what our family members are like?
Oh, I love describing personalities. We can use simple adjectives.
What are some simple words to describe personality?
Here are a few great words. Kind, someone who is nice and helps others. Funny, someone who makes you laugh. Quiet, someone who does not talk too much. Friendly, someone who is warm and easy to talk to. Hardworking, someone who works very hard.
Those are excellent words. Alice, describe your sister to us.
My sister is very funny and friendly. She always tells jokes and makes everyone smile.
That is great. And what about your brother?
My brother is a bit quiet, but he is very kind.
Notice how Alice built simple sentences. My sister is very funny. My brother is quiet and kind.
Now, David, how about appearance? How do family members look?
We can talk about hair, height, and eyes.
Yes, for example, tall or short, long hair or short hair, brown eyes or blue eyes.
Let us make a sentence with these. My mother is short and has dark hair. My father is tall and wears glasses.
Ah, wears glasses. That is a very useful detail. My father wears glasses.
Let us practice this together. Alice, who do you look like in your family?
People say I look like my mother. We have the same eyes and the same smile.
To look like someone means to have similar physical appearances. I look like my father. She looks like her mother.
Yes, repeat after me slowly. I look like my mother.
Great job! Now you can describe what your family looks like and how they act.
David, what about extended family?
Extended family means family beyond your parents and siblings. This includes your grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins.
Let us teach these words slowly. Grandfather, your father's or mother's father. Grandmother, your father's or mother's mother. Grandparents, grandfather and grandmother together. Uncle, your father's or mother's brother. Aunt, your father's or mother's sister. Cousin, your aunt's or uncle's child.
Excellent! Alice, do you see your extended family often?
Yes, we meet during holidays, like Christmas or birthdays. I have 5 cousins.
Wow, 5 cousins! Do you get along well with your cousins?
Yes, I get along very well with my cousins.
Ooh, to get along with someone is a fantastic English idiom. What does it mean, Alice?
To get along with someone means you have a good, friendly relationship with them. You enjoy being together.
So if you love spending time with your brother, you can say, I get along well with my brother.
And if you don't fight with your family, you can say, we get along very well.
Let me ask a question using this phrase. Alice, do you get along with your aunt and uncle?
Yes, my aunt is very kind and my uncle is hilarious. We always have fun together.
Hilarious means super funny.
Exactly.
Now let us talk about what families do together. This is a very popular question in English conversations.
Yes, people might ask, what do you like to do with your family?
How can learners answer this simply?
Here are simple sentences you can use. We like to cook together. We watch movies on weekends. We go for long walks in the park. We eat dinner together every evening.
Those are perfect example sentences. Alice, what does your family like to do?
In my family, we love to play board games. We play cards or games after dinner. It gets very competitive. What about your family, David?
My family likes to gather on Sundays and eat lunch together. We talk about our week and enjoy good food.
That sounds so peaceful. To gather means to come together in one place.
Yes, my family gathers every Sunday. Now it is time for our practice section.
Yes, this is where you, the listener, get to think and speak with us.
We will ask simple questions. After each question, we will pause for a few seconds. Try to answer out loud in simple English.
Do not be nervous or afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
Ready? Question 1. How many people are in your family?
Great. You can answer. There are number people in my family.
Question 2. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Nice job. You can say, yes, I have one brother, or no, I am an only child.
Oh, an only child. That is a great phrase. An only child means you have no brothers or sisters.
Exactly. Now, question 3. What does your mother or father do?
Excellent practice. You can say, my mother is a job, or my father is retired.
Question 4. Who do you look like in your family?
Awesome! You can say, I look like my father, or I look like my mother.
Now, let us repeat the most important sentences from today's lesson. We will say each sentence twice, slowly and clearly. Repeat them after us.
Sentence 1. There are 4 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family.
Sentence 2. I have one older brother and one younger sister. I have one older brother and one younger sister.
Sentence 3. My father is a teacher and my mother is a doctor. My father is a teacher and my mother is a doctor.
Sentence 4. I get along very well with my family. I get along very well with my family.
Sentence 5. We like to eat dinner together every evening. We like to eat dinner together every evening.
Wonderful job! Your pronunciation is getting better and better every single day.
You did an amazing job today. Talking about your family is simple when you use short sentences and clear words.
Yes, practice these phrases while you cook, clean, or drive. You can replay this video whenever you want to practice again.
And now, we have a fun question for you to build our connection.
We want to hear from you. Please tell us in the comments below. How many people are in your family? Or, what is your favorite activity to do with your family?
Type your answer in simple English in the comments section. Alice and I read your comments and love seeing your answers.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep speaking, stay positive, and we will see you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.